What's up, everyone? Let's dive into the top 10 trending Hugging Face models this weekly. We've got some incredible projects that are blowing up right now, so let's get right into it. At number 1, we have Unlimited OCR from Baidu, and this thing is a total game changer for document processing. If you have ever tried to use standard OCR on long, complex documents, you know how much they struggle with layout and context. This model fixes that by introducing one-shot long horizon parsing. Basically, it can handle massive amounts of text and complex visual structures in one go without losing the plot. It is built using the Transformers library and is designed to push the boundaries of vision language models. With over 45,000 downloads this week, developers are clearly loving its ability to parse documents with insane precision. If you are building apps that need to read heavy PDFs or complex images, you need to check this out right now. At number 2, we have a total game changer for anyone wanting to run a powerful AI assistant locally. This is the Gemma 412B Agentic Fable 5 version 2, and it is specifically fine-tuned to be a coding and tool-using agent. What makes this model insane is that it can actually reason through multi-step technical tasks, like diagnosing and fixing bugs in a terminal. In fact, it scores about 3.5 times higher on agentic benchmarks compared to the base model. Because it is a GGUF format, you can run this on almost any setup with just about 4.5 gigabytes of VRAM. It is perfect for developers who want a private, offline coding partner that can actually use tools without relying on expensive cloud APIs. Coming in at number 3 is Quithos 9B, a total powerhouse for anyone running local models. This is a quantized GGUF version of the Quithos model, and it is designed to bring massive reasoning capabilities to your own hardware. What makes this one stand out is that it was trained on over 500 million tokens of high-quality Claude Mythos data, which gives it a massive boost in logic and math compared to the standard Qwen 3.5 base. It even features a staggering 1 million token context window, meaning you can feed it entire books or massive code bases without breaking a sweat. Since it is in GGUF format, you can run it easily using llama.cpp, Allama, or LM Studio. If you want a smart and censored and agentic model that actually fits on your desktop, this is the one to grab. Coming in at number 4 is Qwen Agent World, and this is a massive step forward for AI agents. Most models just predict the next word, but this is a native world model. That means it is actually designed to simulate environments. It can predict what happens next in a digital space after an agent takes an action. It covers 7 different domains, ranging from software engineering and web browsing to using an Android phone or a terminal. Instead of just being a chatbot, it acts like a simulator for complex tasks. It uses a mix of continual pre-training and reinforcement learning to make sure its predictions are incredibly realistic. If you are a developer building autonomous agents that need to interact with real-world software, you absolutely need to check this one out. At number 5, we have Lift from DataLab, and if you have ever struggled with messy PDF data, this one is a total game changer. Most AI models struggle to turn unstructured documents into clean data, but Lift is built specifically to pull structured JSON straight out of images and PDFs. What makes it incredibly special is that you can provide your own custom JSON schema, and the model uses constrained decoding to guarantee the output is perfectly formatted and valid every single time. It can even handle multi-page documents in one go, even if data spans across different pages. You can run it locally using the Transformers library or use VLLM for faster inference. This is a massive win for developers building automation tools or anyone needing to digitize massive amounts of paperwork without the manual headache. At number 6, we have something a bit spicy for the developers out there. This is the Huiwi Gemma 412B Coder Obliterated model. Now, if you have ever been frustrated by an AI refusing to write a specific piece of code or getting too preachy about your technical queries, this is for you. It is an uncensored version of the Gemma 4 coding model, built using a technique called obliteration to remove those annoying refusals. This means you get raw, direct reasoning and coding assistance without the standard safety filters getting in the way. It is a proof of concept, so use it carefully, But for researchers and power users who need an uninhibited coding partner, this is a total game changer. At number 7, we have the Quopus 3.627B Coder Compatibility Edition. This is not just another coding model. It is a multimodal powerhouse designed to bridge the gap between vision and complex reasoning. What makes this one special is its massive focus on compatibility. It is specifically optimized for tool use and agentic workflows, meaning it can handle JSON arguments, lists, and mappings with ease. It uses bundled MTP and GGUF formats, making it incredibly easy to run on llama.cpp. If you are building AI agents that need to see images, write code, and call functions flawlessly, this is the model you need to be watching. It is trending because it finally brings high-level reasoning and vision capabilities into a format that actually works with modern developer tools. At number 8, we have a heavy hitter for anyone tired of AI lectures. This is the Gemma 412B Uncensored Balanced Model by HowHowCS. It takes Google's powerful Gemma 4 base and removes those annoying refusals, making it perfect for creative writing, roleplay, and complex coding tasks where you need the model to just follow instructions without questioning you. What makes this version special is the speed. It includes a multi-token prediction head that allows for speculative decoding, which can make generation up to 60% faster without losing any quality. It is also multimodal, meaning you can feed it images for analysis. If you are looking for a highly capable, fast, and totally unrestricted agentic model to run locally, this is definitely the one to grab. Coming in at number 9, we have Chuanjiang Intelligence / DeepSeek V4 Fable, a trending text generation model developed by Chuanjiang Intelligence on Hugging Face. This text generation model has earned 65 likes on Hugging Face and is definitely one to watch. Check it out if you're interested in this space. At number 10, we have the Kria 2 FP8 Weights, and this is a massive win for anyone running AI on home hardware. If you have been wanting to try out the powerhouse Kria 2 OSS Turbo model, but your GPU is crying at the thought of a 25GB file, this is your solution. This version uses a clever selective quantization strategy to shrink the model size from nearly 25 gigs down to just 12. What makes this special is that it only quantizes the heavyweight matrices while keeping the sensitive layers in high precision. This means you get those incredible 3D and anime-style generations without the usual quality drop or math errors. It is perfect for anyone with a 16 or 24 gig VRAM card who wants top-tier image generation without needing a professional workstation. And those are the top 10 trending Hugging Face models making waves right now. Go check them out and let me know which ones caught your eye.